Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in with Impact.com and track affiliate conversions, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Impact.com website. On the home page, locate the login button, which is usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to access the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field provided. Enter your password in the second field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your dashboard. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard layout. To track your affiliate conversions, locate the Performance or Reports section in the navigation menu. Click on Performance or Reports to view various metrics regarding your affiliate links. Select the specific report you wish to generate, such as conversions or commissions earned. Use the filter options to customize the report based on date range, affiliate partner, or specific campaigns. Once your filters are set, click on the Generate Report button to retrieve your data. Review the generated report to analyze your affiliate conversions and performance metrics. If you wish to export the report, look for the Download option, usually represented by a download icon. Select your preferred file format, such as CSV or PDF, and click on the Download button to save the report. You can now review the downloaded report offline for detailed insights into your affiliate performance. If you have any questions, consider visiting the Impact.com Help Center for additional resources and support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.